Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Tuesday informed the media that the state government is coming up with a unique program to cover almost 50,000 hectares of land under the Payment for Ecosystem Services, or PES. The PES is an approach that aims to manage natural resources and ecosystem stewardship, wherein the users recompensate the conservators of the ecosystem services. While speaking at the function, the Chief Minister said that the government is currently working with different agencies to get the carbon credits for this. Sangma also said that he had distributed large amounts of checks to different community forest areas. On the occasion, the Chief Minister also felicitated the Dorbar Shnongs and civil societies organizations involved in cleaning of the rivers, maintaining cleanliness and environment protection. An important highlight of the event was the introduction of the state natural resource management mascots Mai Mai, the hill myna, and Paknai, a clouded leopard.
As a government, we have been working in many sectors and trying to bring a change in them, be it health sector, be it education, be it the environment, be it basic things like capacity building, delivery mechanism, overall monitoring of projects, accountability and timelines.
Sting Congress MLA